wouldn't buy a regular orange juice, even though it's 100% orange juice, and odds are that it ran on the equipment it was pasteurized on did not have chametz, at least within the 24 hours prior to its production, I would not buy it. I would only buy a product that research was done that the equipment is not used for chametz. One example would be 100% frozen oranges. So therefore, when it comes to this only only whatever eggs it is, I would not use it during Pesach. However, the Ramah tells us that any product.
The core gives the answer. I read it.
Okay, so the Ramah tells us that any product that you avoid due to the stringency on the 8th day of Pesach would be fine. So my example I give is apple cider. I like apple cider. Now, apple cider itself does not have hashgacha for Pesach. I know that the equipment they use, there is a possibility that a few months prior to the production of this apple cider, they ran some chametz. I would not use it during Pesach. On the 8th day, it would be fine. Okay, so the rule is, when it comes to such a product like you're mentioning, I would not tell you to use it on at least the first 7 days.
They still, you have otherwise with CORP on it.
But they do have the CORP.
In Sobeys.
Okay, so save up some money, go to Sobeys, and you can find it there. Yes. The Coca-Cola, they have the Coca-Cola production that uses sugar instead of high fructose corn syrup. You know that there are those connoisseurs that feel that this is a big simcha because prior to 1957, Coke always used real sugar, and it has a good old flavor. So that's 100% fine. The Coke that is Diet Coke, has a label on it which says COR for those who eat kitniot. But many halachic authorities, I would say most halachic authorities and most kosher agencies say that the kitniot are really what they call kitniot shenishtanu, meaning it changed its appearance. So therefore, even the Diet Coke, even though it says kitniot, is really, unless you follow a stringent view, is technically fine. Okay, like an OU, for example, gives its hashgacha on the regular Diet Coke, so you could buy regular if you like Diet Coke. No. So what's the concern? The Sephardi is only on the diet. The regular Coke there is 100%. The regular Coke with the Pesach is fine. Okay. Yes.
I have a question on your apple cider.
Yes.
You would have it on the 8th day, but how do you get it?
I would buy it.
Keep it the whole Pesach?
Yeah, you could keep it. I'll put a sign on it. Do not open until the 8th day of Pesach. And then we would go ahead and open it. And Rabbi Milevsky doesn't let me, so I can't do it. In other words, but in theory, I would do it. I still remember as a child that we would bring products home, and my father would say, "Oh, that hashgacha, 8th day we'll use it." I won't mention the name of those agencies. But so there is such a concept that exists that for the 8th day, and among many of the Chassidim, they use the gebrogs, and it's not just allowance; it's mitzvah, right? Yes.
So this year, if you're in Israel and you keep 7 days,
Yes.
on the 8th day you could have hummus.
That was my
You could have
question.
100%.
Buy
You
it
can buy it up
before-
before
buy it
You buy
before.
kitniot, excellent. Enjoy. Anyway, point is, let's sum this up. Yes.
Everybody else would be patient.
Look if they have a hashgacha. They should have hashgacha. They have to have a kosher symbol for Pesach. If it has a kosher symbol for Pesach, and it's only the aspartame, there are most halakhic authorities give a green light.
There was something.
Yes.
There was something that I heard yesterday at a shir on Pesach that I didn't know before, so maybe I can share.
Yeah.
Parchment paper needs an OUP or
Okay.
needs
Yes,
a
they
P on
mentioned
it.
the list. Okay, good. There are many. Anyway, Pesach. Let's keep it a beautiful Yom Tov. Let's keep it a time that's a Simchas Yom Tov. Feel free to ask any question by email. Anybody. There's no such thing as a question that you don't want to bother the rabbi. The rabbi wants to be bothered. He wants to feel that he is useful. So therefore, any question, feel free to ask. Send me an email. Give me a call. I'm more than happy to help. Everyone should have a wonderful Simchas Yom Tov, wonderful time preparing for Yom Tov, and let's keep the spirit of our identity alive by celebrating who we are. Thank you so much, David and Fran. Erev Tov.